All the videos you are seeing here were transformed into videos with just a single click using AI. There are a lot of AI tools that can do something like this, but the one I'm going to introduce to you today stands out as the most realistic and impressive of them all. Take a look at these clips and I'll walk you through the full tutorial in the rest of the video. The website we'll be using to create this is called Clipfy. I have previously created a tutorial video about this powerful website, and due to the response from most of you, I have decided to showcase its latest features and updates in this new video. You can go and watch the earlier video I did about this website. I'll leave the link in the video description and also in the comment section of this video. In today's video, we are going to explore 5 new features that has just been added to this website, and trust me, these new features is going to blow your mind. Let's start with the first one, which is the AI Keys video generator. To use the website, click on the link under the video description or in the comment section of this video to go to this website. When you go to this website, you are going to sign in with your Google account. After signing in, you are going to see this interface. Now, when you come to this website, if you click on AI video, we have a lot of tools under the AI video tools. We have AI video generator, we have AI kissing generator, AI French kiss generator, AI twerking dance, AI Ghibli generator. So these are the latest AI tools available in the market. So you can access all these AI tools on this website. Now let's make use of the AI French keys generator. To use this, just click on it, and then from here come down and click on create French keys. So what you are going to be asked from here is to upload 1 or 2 images. Under here we have the image layout. So you can decide to upload 1 image, but if you are uploading 1 image, the 2 individual must be in the same image. So for this, I want to upload 2 images. So under image layout, I'll click on the 2 image from here. Then over here, you are going to upload your first image, then upload the second image. So I've uploaded my first image. Let's upload the second image. 2 of these images has been uploaded. You can then come down here. If you check over here, make sure the French kiss is selected. If you want to use the kiss video, then make sure this one is selected. This is under template. So we are going to come down, and from here, you select the standard mode, then scroll down. Then from here, you select background. So if you want to use colors, then you can select colors. Then click on colors, and from here, you can select colors to use. So for example, let me select this white background color. If you select a background color, it's going to remove background from both of your images that you uploaded, so that you're going to have a single background under your image. So you can see that the background has been removed. So from here, just scroll down and then click on generate. And just like that, we have our video being generated. Now let's play this video and take a look at the video. Wow guys, so you can see how realistic and cool this video is. Now if you want to download the video, come over here where you see this download button. Just click on that and your video has been downloaded. Now if you go under AI image, we have other new tools available here. These are new updates. We have AI image generator. We also have background remover. We have photo enhancer. If you have a low quality image, you can use the photo enhancer on this website to enhance your image. Then from here we have AI face swap. So you can swap faces. Now let me demonstrate the AI face swap for you. Come over here, click on AI face swap. Come down where you see face swap. Click on face swap now. And then from your right hand side here, you are going to upload the target image that you want to use. So if I click on upload, so I'm going to upload from computer. So I've uploaded this guy. Then if you want to add your own image, you want to swap this guy face to my face. So what I'm going to do from here, you can see this button. Just click on this button. So from here, you are going to add face. So upload the face from my device. So once my image has been uploaded, come down here where you see generate. Click on the generate button. So it's just like that. So you can see that the face has been swapped. So from here, you can compare. This is the original image, and then this is when the face have been swapped. So from here, I can go ahead to download this image to my device. Then another cool feature I like about this website is the AI video generator. But that's not all. Now let's see how the photo enhancer on this website looks like. Simply go over to AI image, then come down to photo enhancer, and then from here, click on enhance your photo now. Then click on upload an image. So we are going to upload a low quality image so that we can quickly enhance that. So let me select this image, click on open. This is the image I want to enhance. So I'll come over here and click on generate. So you can see the quality of this image has been enhanced. Let's compare that. This is the before and then this is the after. Now you can go ahead to click on this download option to download the image. You can also use the AI headshot generator on this website. To access that, simply come over to AI image. You will see AI headshot generator. Click on it and then come down here where you see generate your headshot now. Click on it again. Then from here, you are going to select either you want to generate this headshot for a male, or you want to generate for female, or you want to generate for the non-binary. So for this, let's go with male. Then you click on get started. From up here, we have different categories. We have studio, outdoor, indoor, or creative. From here, you are going to select your style. You select 3 to 5 styles. So let's say I'm in need of a passport photo and I can't go to a studio for now. I'm going to select one, ID, then I select professional, then I'll go again and select stylish. So after selecting 3, you can select up to 5, but let's just select 3 for now. Then I'll go ahead and click on continue. This is a sample of a good photo you should upload, and this is a sample of bad photos you should not upload. You must upload a photo that you are facing the camera and the lighting condition is perfect. Now I'll go over to the left hand side here where you see upload photo. Click on that, and from here we are going to upload a photo from our device. So our photo is ready. The next one is to click on continue. So if you need 5 images, it's going to take 15 credits, 10 images 25 credits, and 20 images 40 credits. I'm going to select 5 images and then you click on generate. And just like that, we have our image ready, so you can take a look at these images. So if you want to take a preview, you can just click on this view, and here is the photo. So you can just go like this, and here you can see all the photos ready. So if you want to download, take your mouse over the image and you're going to see this download button. You can just click on the download button to download your image. If you are not satisfied with what you have gotten, you can come down here and click on generate again, and you are going to get next batch of images. Under video editing, we have a whole bunch of tools that is going to be helpful for you. We have video editor, AI subtitle to video, AI sticker to video, add audio to video. These are key tools that you need when editing your video, so you can go ahead to use them. Under AI video, we have a whole bunch of AI tools available under here. AI video generator, AI kissing generator, AI twerking dance, AI French kiss generator, AI talking avatar. These are a whole lot of AI tools available on a single website. You don't need to jump from one website to the other for you to be able to use these tools. Then under AI images, there are a whole lot of tools available under here also. AI image generator, AI headshot, background remover, and all that. With time, I'm going to be doing more videos pertaining to this website on this channel. So do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel for you to be notified anytime I drop a video about this website. Go ahead and try this website out. Try all the tools on this website. I'll leave the link to this website in the video description and also in the comment section of this video. I have a pro account on this website, but I won't be using that, so I want to give it out to the best comments under this video. In my next video, I'm going to select the best comments under this video, and then I'm going to give my login out to that person as a giveaway to appreciate those of you watching my videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.